Yes, my friends, if I talk about the special occasions, we always expect for this generation and today's trending collections, the modern technology, how it has developed in sarees also for the special occasions and wedding for the bridal maids. These kind of collections of sarees are very demand at the market now, and these sarees having vibrant colors, elegant, and these collections are it looks very real. And if I talk about this collections, the highlight is heavy embroidery sarees for the weddings and bridesmaids for the special festive occasions. I just want to show you the collections what I'm talking about. Here is the beautiful lovely boxes. These are all the, as I said, the elegant vibrant colors, the heavy designer sari with the blouse, the ornaments, the every woman they like to get ready these kind of collections for the bridesmaids, for the special occasions, for the weddings. So my friends, today I'm going to show you these kind of modern and stylish beautiful sarees, which as I told you, the model technology how is developed, the sarees also get elegant, vibrant, beautiful, lovely colors. I'm your friend Rani Subramanian. Once again, welcome back to Kesaria Textile Manufacturers. So today I'm going to show you this special occasions and celebration based varieties of this modern and stylish. Every saree is having a heavy embroidery and designer blouse work. So keep watching this video, subscribe the channel, resellers quickly. These collections you can add into your business, make your customers happy, see a profitable margin at your business and quickly purchase before getting out of stock, I can say. Subscribe the channel. If you're watching first time, quickly subscribe. You'll get every notifications of the products. You can take just your mobile and you can do online purchase. Let's see the collections over here. All the pretty, very beautiful, lovely collections. As I said, the special occasions for the wedding, parties and the bridesmaids. These are the heavy designer, the blouse with the sari. And if I talk about the color charts, very pretty color charts. Very beautiful. Every sari is having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 colors. So my friends, you can show the catalog like this and you can sell very quickly. The beautiful, which if I talk about the rich, elegant, the catalog how it looks, the sari very preferable, and the sari boxes, the box packing, every sari you will get the boxes. Even the set, you have a 7 colors, you will get 7 boxes. I just want to show you. This is the pattern, very lovely. This is the same sari, you can see, and the beautiful box where you can see the blouse, the packing. So beautiful, lovely packing, sari and the blouse. I have seen the men panting and shirting the patterns, but now the sari with the blouse also they have packed very beautiful and lovely. My friends, quickly subscribe it and see the collections. So take a screenshot, quickly place an order and enjoy these collections for this special occasions. Make your customers happy. Quickly come. As I showed you the one of the light olive green pattern, heavy embroidery, the dark peacock blue which has come. In this I have shown to show you mustard yellow. The mustard yellow you got the bottle green and you got the very sequence work. This is the blouse. If I talk about the next pattern, one of the beige green, you have a lovely pattern with the stone work, which is a beautiful casual. The work which has done at the matte golden. This is the parallel lines which is covered over here. In this I have a one more color, which is a lavender color. So very lovely color. This is a paradise. Paradise is the code. If we talk about the next color, Rani color, you have an embroidery work with the color charts with the thread work. This is the antique collections. This is the blouse. Every sari you have a color charts. You have a navy blue or the peacock blue, I can say. This is one of the pattern. All these collections are very pretty, very elegant and vibrant colors. If I talk about the pastel color, I have a pastel color. I can see the only wiring work you can see. The packing of the blouse has been given here. Ash color. You got the ash color, the multiple curving design in this, and you have a one of the light ocean blue based. You have a Rama green color, the threadings which has done here, and this is also Panorama is the code. Panorama 3 is the code. All these elegant collections. If I talk about the next pattern, you have a only chunky work. This is very pretty ash color, dark grey color also I can say, and one is one of the pastel color, classy color, settle color. You can see settle color. You have a sequence highlighted. And if I talk about the peach, very lovely color, peach. You have a bottle green combination with the white and the mehendi green, the blouse. And if I talk in this, you have a light olive green with the peacock blue, and this is the pattern. My friends, these all collections are very pretty, very elegant, special occasions to have a modern and stylish with your ornaments, where you can find out as I showed you the beautiful catalog, how the matching collections the ladies they have settled and they have got ready. You can also, for your special occasions for the wedding bridesmaids, you can also have these kind of beautiful modern stylish sarees and enjoy. Hope you enjoyed these kind of collections. So quickly, numbers are scrolling on the screen. Please contact, take a details. Please, they have an online team to guide you and support you. Please try to visit Doriwala Square building next to Mohan Sweets, opposite to Surat railway station, 3 minutes walkable distance. So you no need to worry about the communication. So people are there over to support you. If you want to start a business or new collections to add into your business, so Kesaria will support and guide you. So hope you enjoyed with these collections. Quickly place an order, enjoy. And next video will meet with new more collections and informations. Till that, keep supporting me. Take care. Bye-bye, friends.